Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by attacking contamination. Get going now. Use a wire brush or 80-120 grit sandpaper to remove loose rust and scale, then vacuum or blow off debris. Once done, apply a phosphoric acid rust converter to remaining oxide to chemically stabilize it. Follow the product dwell time. Make sure the metal is fully dry and degreased with isopropyl or acetone so primers will bond. This short prep makes coatings last far longer. You now move into coating. This is the core of protection. Brush, roll, or spray a high-quality epoxy or zinc-rich primer. 1 coat can bond, 2 is safer for harsh environments. Once the primer cures, apply a compatible top coat, polyurethane, oil-based enamel, or powder coat for heavy-duty exposure, following manufacturer spread rate. Make sure to respect cure times between coats and sand lightly between layers to improve adhesion. These steps form a barrier that blocks moisture and oxygen. You finish by sealing any seams, joints, and fastener holes with silicone or polyurethane caulk to stop water entry. This small step prevents undercutting. After final coating, inspect annually and address chips or scratches quickly. Sand to bright metal, apply primer, then top coat within 72 hours to prevent flash rust. If heavy corrosion persists, remove rust mechanically to sound metal, reprime, and consider adding cathodic protection like
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.